Iris Folded Christmas Tree. Print a copy of the triangle pattern found on my website. Die cut triangle out of card front. Emboss the card front if desired. Turn the card front over, placing it on top of the triangle pattern. Attach a strip of washi tape to one side, creating a hinge. This will allow you to lift the card front and check your progress. Remember, with iris folding, you will always work from the back of your card front. Cut 1/2 by 6-inch strips of 4 designs of pattern paper. Lay the strips in the order in which you will be using them. Following the pattern on the triangle underneath the card front, attach the first strip of paper face down along the edge of number 1 on the pattern. Attach the second strip of paper along the edge of number 2 on the pattern. Continue with the third strip of paper along the edge of number 3 and the fourth strip of paper along the edge of number 4. Continue all around until the pattern is complete and you have an open center. This is the iris. Remove the washi tape, turn the piece over, and attach a piece of shimmery or special paper over the iris. Attach to mat and card base, attach glimmer tree trunk and stars. Stamp greeting and embellishments to complete.